Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I'm remaking the video of EGLD. Sorry for before, but something happened with the audio. Anyway, I'm going back to explaining why EGLD is very likely to have a good buying pressure. And here we are today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto as well. And let's proceed quickly into the price targets and the price and technical analysis. Right now, what are we seeing is that on the weekly frame, if I just zoomed out, what I would see for EGLD is a very possible head and shoulders pattern. Don't you agree with that? Yeah, it is for me personally, and we could see something like this going on, right? We could see something like a head and shoulders pattern all the way, and maybe we form something like this. We stop around 130, for example, maybe even further down. We are going to discuss about the price targets. Okay, so clearly could be a head and shoulders pattern. One of the most important support levels for now is the 65 to 66 USDT chart. So I'm leaving this line a little bit right here, and there we go. I'm just leaving the 65 USDT as it is. And we are going to see the next price targets right now. We are going to see why EGLD is very likely to go up after 10 consecutive weeks of bearish action. Look at that, 10 consecutive weeks, and now it seems like we might be able though to go even higher. Let's proceed quickly into the daily frame. And what are we having right now is that we are having a clear bullish RSI divergence. Look at that right here. Okay, clear bullish RSI, lower lows right here, higher lows in the RSI. This is good as well. In the meantime though, we do not have any bullish with the other indicators. Stochastic RSI near the overbought as well. And we are having the 20-day MA as our major resistance level. This is a very huge bearish market. Look at that. This is the opposite of an impulsive wave, and we are going all the way down from the top line to the bottom right here. We have corrected for around 90%, and it looks better in the logarithmic scale, but if I have the regular scale right here, you can see that it looks awful. Okay, so let's go back to the logarithmic scale so we can see a little bit the next price targets. And what I'm having right now, and why I'm thinking actually that the EGLD could manage to go even higher, is this key point right here. The commodity channel index in an oversold situation, so we could potentially go even higher. Okay, on the Williams R as well, we have a higher low pattern here with a lower low pattern from the previous weeks, and this is also good. However, we have to break some important resistance levels. I'm going back to the 4-hour frame. We are going to see a little bit more of a short-term price prediction, and what we are seeing right now is that we are finding rejection upon the previous support. Okay, so for the time being, we are having a huge resistance level at the 74.71. I think that we can clearly go even higher from that. Let's go to find a little bit the Fibonacci as well support levels. You can see that I've drawn the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. If we go to the regular scale, you can see that we had the 0.786 as a major support level right here. We found and we had a huge buying pressure afterwards. Okay. But the point here is that we are having the 17.4 to 75 USDT as a major resistance level. Right now, we want to see where are we going. Can we go even higher? For me personally, yes, we can. We can easily break above the 75 USDT, and therefore on the 4-hour frame, I'm going to tell you some important resistance levels. Drawing the Fib from the top to the bottom, you can see that it is also the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. That's why it is so hard to break it above. Usually on a downtrend, what do we have is that the 0.236 is a very huge resistance level. Okay, so 74.71 right here. We can go to the next one, which is 77.24, and then the short-term target is a 79.30, which is one of the most important targets for the short term. Okay, look at the 20-day MA as well for the EGLD against USDT chart. It is approaching the 80. Okay, you look at that, it is at the 83. It is approaching right now the 80. I think that 79, between 79 and 81 will be the most important resistance levels for EGLD on the short term. However, I'm very optimistic that ETLD can manage to do very fine, and it will go even higher. Let's go to the Fibonacci retracements for longer term, okay? Because I'm on the weekly frame, we are now seeing targets that we might be approaching into the next few weeks. For me personally, one of the most important resistance levels is the 100, and the next one is the 122. We can even go maybe to the 140. However, this is the case only if BTC goes above and closes above actually the 31.8k on the daily frame or on the weekly frame. Then we can manage to go even higher. For EGLD against USDT, chart rate here on the weekly frame, 123, 141 as well, being our most important targets out of everything. 100 is important one, but if we want to have a head and shoulders pattern, I think that we can manage to move even higher, potentially even at the 140. This is a very nice 90% profit target, right? And the 122 is a 66%, while the 101 is the 36 profit target. On to the next few weeks, I think that ETLD can manage to go above, can manage to make it, and it will make it even higher, possibly towards the 100 USDT first, and after we are going to see the next targets as well. And why I'm talking mostly about the support levels, it is that I believe that it has more chances into going higher than lower right now. Yes, we had a crazy correction going on, crazy stuff for ETLD. Look at this whole thing right here, minus 30%, and then only the downtrend was the point for ETLD. We had a pump, a little bit of a pump back on 7 February, but then we had a retracement, and now we are further down due to the whole crypto market situation. Anyway, positive news coming for EGLD. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.